Oh, it's floating. I knew it. I'm playing Sink or Float. It's one of my favorite science games. When I play Sink or Float, I go around my house and I look for different items. I found a piece of wood, a spoon, a coin, a bead, a leaf, and that Lego. And before I place them in the water, I like to guess. I like to hypothesize. What do I think is going to happen when I put it in the water? And sometimes I'm right, and sometimes I'm wrong. And then I write down what happens on this paper so I can keep all of my information together. When I'm finished, I like to think, why did those things float? Why did those things sink? And it helps me learn more about what makes something float. I love science. I love learning all about the world around me. I love learning about animals and eggs and trees. And I think it would be a lot of fun to learn about some of those science topics with you. And if you really want to have some fun, well, guess what? We can make some slime. It's so much fun. It's so stretchy. Not too messy. Let me know if you're interested. I think it would be a lot of fun.